Assalamu alaikum. You can see now I am on the roof. I have come on the roof to practice my English because I work in a factory. That's why I don't get free time to practice my English. Now it is lunch time, so I have gotten some free time. So I have come on the roof to practice my English. When I practice in my factory, they tell me you are going to be crazy day by day. So I try, I try to practice my English on the roof because they don't like me. I don't care about them. Just I want to improve my speaking skills. I want to be a fluent speaker. I know if I don't practice every day, then I won't be able to improve my speaking skills. That's why when I get free time, I try to practice my English. Now I am practicing as well as I'm making a video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.